first of all, sorry about the poor lighting, but I wanted to, as soon as I could, tell you guys how to fix PS5 controller drift. Okay, for those of you guys that don't know, controller drift is when randomly, like a controller joystick or thumbstick might actually be put one way for longer. It might cause the cursor to be all wonky or a character to constantly spin, like back when the old N64 controller had controller drift. Link rather, would just constantly go in a circle non-stop. Pretty annoying. And here's a fix for it. Now, it's worth noting that fix will technically work on any controller, almost any controller rather, but I have the PS5 controller here, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it on the PS5 and, maybe save some money. It's not a guarantee to work on the PS5 controller, but it is a good temporary fix, and best of all, you don't have to take anything apart. No screwdriver needed. Okay, so here's what we're going to do, okay? Step 1, push down both of the Joy-Cons, okay? And then make sure to rotate them. I do 10 times to be safe. Let go. Push down again on both of them. Rotate the opposite way, counterclockwise. I'd say 10 times to be safe. And then what you want to do, and here's the biggest part, hold down on both of them, okay? Then go up, blow into both of them, go right, blow into both of them, go all the directions, and make sure you blow into both of them. That should blow out some of the extra dust buildup, because dust buildup tend to build up in these, and that's usually why controller drift happens for some of the reasons. Now, like I said, this isn't a permanent fix. This isn't a guaranteed fix, but if you are like me and don't want to fork out the extra money to get, because I believe the controllers are $70 each. If you don't want to fork out the money, or you're short on time and don't have the time to go get another controller, this is a good fix. It's a temporary fix, could be permanent depending on how much dust buildup your controllers get. And if you don't want to blow in them yourself, you can use canned air or something like that. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video to hopefully help you guys. If this did help you guys, definitely let me know, comment section below. And if you have any other tricks, not using tools or unscrewing anything, definitely leave them in the comment section below. Who knows who can benefit from, our tips and tricks and whatnot. But yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.